Progressive Congress for Rivers State don call on the APC Rivers State Assembly lawmakers to sharply start the impeachment process against Governor Simi Fubara. APC Caretaker Committee Chairman of the party, Tony Okocha, yarn tori pipo dis one for Port Harcourt and say Governor Fubara don disrespect President Bola Tinubu by refusing to implement all the 8-point peace agreement wey dem agree on for Abuja on top the political crisis for the state. A constituent say as members of the APC, dem no go sit down dey look make Governor Fubara dey do as he like.
The president cannot be derided by the governor. The president is a member, in fact, he is the leader of our own political party. And it would be foolhardy to be stupidity on our part to sit down to see somebody way less than Mr. President insult Mr. President under our very nose. It is also an absurd to see the governor begin to espouse impunity, intimidation on the people who are members of our political party, and we stand akimbo doing nothing. We're here to respond vehemently and stoutly to them that as chairman of APC Rivers State, as representative of Mr. President, that we won't sit down here to see the governor insult president. We won't sit here to see the governor declare on his own as if it's a court. He has become Daniel that is sitting in judgment to declare assembly member seats vacant. To that extent, in consultation with my party, we have directed and we are directing, I want to let you hear, that we are directing the APC members who are in the assembly to immediately commence the impeachment of Governor Sim Fubara. He does anything he cares to do.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.